So this is my my hillbilly pool, and it's really filthy, and we're having a drought. Since I filled it up with my hose, I don't want to waste the water and just dump it out anywhere. So I bought this pump, and I'm going to pump the water over to this little area where I have something to hold the water so the birds can bathe in it, and then I'm going to water my plants and stuff. But trying to spread the resource. Okay, everything's humming, water's flowing through the veins. Okay, and this is the old-timey, this is old school here. And this is my little, just draped this, it's a waterproof drop cloth for painting. Keeps the paint from going through to the floor, which is nice. They're real cheap, and they lay super flat, so they go under the tightest door clearance. A lot of times, if you're a painter, you know, you open a door and it moves your drop and you can't get it to slide under there. It's pretty annoying. Yeah, these lay really flat, but they're also waterproof, so you know, I'm sure it's going to be a little mosquito nursery, but I don't really care. If I have to spray a little chlorine in it, it's probably a little deeper than it needs to be, but I like how it, okay, that's not good, but I like how I just draped it over some sticks that I kind of put in a random thing, and it just kind of took this kind of a cool little individual pools, and I could see building off of that and making an interesting little water feature. Maybe putting some guppies or something in there, because these high spots, you put a little pump, you can have little waterfalls, and yeah, the only thing is the color, the white. Maybe if I painted something onto it, but then the paint might, come off, and the sun would, I don't want to make a little, eco-hazard. That's all. Maybe I'll have something to report later. I'll get some birds taking a bath or something. Wouldn't you know it, looks like it might rain. That's what happens. That's how you get it to rain. All right.